Let's solve this question with me. Miley has a triangular piece of paper, ABC, with BA equals to BC. Let's annotate it. With two small lines to represent that they are equal. Now we know that this triangle is actually an isosceles triangle because these two sides are equal. Angle ABC here. Angle ABC is 82 degrees. They have labeled it for us, so the information is used. Next, angle CDE is 72 degrees. They have also annotated this for us. ADC and BEC are straight lines. She folded this along line DE upwards, as shown below, and got this figure. The question wants us to find angle X and angle Y. Let's work on angle X first. Now, we notice that angle X is in this triangle CDE. To find angle X, we need to know what's this angle. I shall call it C, and this angle, call it D. Now, this angle C is at this corner of C, which I can see that is actually here. So let's label this angle C, which is the same as this angle because it's the same corner, angle C. Now, to know what is the angle C, first I take a look at the whole triangle. And I know that with these two sides equal, this is an isosceles triangle. So this angle and this angle, I shall call it A now, are equal. So to find angle A or angle C, first we will take 180 degrees minus 82 degrees. I will get 98 degrees. And angle A and angle C are equal, so I can take 98 degrees divided by 2 to get 49 degrees. So angle C is 49 degrees. Now we know that angle C is 49 degrees. To find angle X, I still need one more degree and one more angle, which is the angle D. So how to find angle D? Let's take a look at the next demonstration video. I have prepared two identical triangles cutouts here. Angle D is labeled 72 degrees on both of the cutouts. Let's focus on one triangle first. Now this triangle, angle D is labeled 72. I have intentionally highlighted the angle yellow so that we can view it more clearly when I turn the triangle cutout around. When I turn it around, you can see that this angle here is also 72 because it occupies the same yellow space as the angle D at the front of the cutout. Let's label that. Now the angle 72 is labeled. Then I will turn the triangle cutout around again and overlap it with my previous other triangle. So two triangles should overlap perfectly as they are identical. Now I'm going to fold the top triangle as shown in the question. You will notice that this angle and this angle are equal because I folded this part upwards. So the space occupied by these two corners are exactly the same. So this angle and this angle are both 72. From the demonstration video, we know that this angle 72 is the same as this angle D here. So angle D is also 72 degrees. Now, how do we know the other two angles? We can find angle X. How do we find angle X? We will take 180 degrees minus 49 degrees minus 72 degrees. We will get 59 degrees. So angle X is 59 degrees. Now let's find angle Y. To find angle Y, first, in our mind, we have to unfold this triangle back to its original spot and let's mark it out with a dotted line. So this dotted triangle here is equal to this part because it was unfolded from there. Now, based on the demonstration video, I know that this angle is the same as angle D. So this is 72 degrees. Now, to find angle Y, let's take a look at where angle Y is. Angle Y is in a small triangle. And in this small triangle, I have two other angles. Now that we know that this angle is 72, we can find this small angle. How to find this small angle? We use sum of angles on a straight line equals to 180. So to find the small angle, I'll take 180 minus 72 degrees minus 72 degrees equals to 36 degrees. So this angle here is 36 degrees. Next, we need to find this angle at point A. Previously, we know that the entire triangle is an isosceles triangle, and angle A here is the same as angle C. Since angle C is 49 degrees, angle A is also 49 degrees, and this corner is the same as this corner. Therefore, this is 49 degrees. So now, we can find the angle Y. Sum of angles in a triangle is 180. So to find angle Y, I'll take 180 degrees minus 49 degrees minus 36 degrees. We will get 95 degrees. Angle Y is 95 degrees.